So down to your left is the embankment, very pretty lights. As I say, this was underwater until the 1860s. And the Charing Cross Christmas tree next to it changes its display every few seconds. As you can see, it's got a colour change. Fields. Behind it is the National Gallery, and in the basement is a cafe where you can go and see the architecture, have a cup of tea, very reasonable price, have a look around. And so we're coming up onto Trafalgar Square. I know there are a lot of Frenchies who gloss over anything. So he arrived in London a bit worse for wear. And you'll see at the base of Four Lions Garden Nelson. And they also got a little bit worse for wear.
So it's right outside of Charing Cross.
So he had to actually as the model for the Lions. You will see the fountain, of course. Great place to go and put something in, make a wish. Very often on New Year's Eve, people have a drink or two and decide to go swimming in it. I have never done this. And behind you will see the National Gallery, home to Van Gogh's Sunflowers and many other iconic. Of course, it's quite famous recently for the just all and we're just going past King Charles Church on its horse. This is the central spot of London. When you hear it's 35 miles from London, it's 35 miles from King Charles on his horse. That is where the measurements are taken from. So coming up on the right hand side is Naval Embassy and Ocean House. If you remember the Titanic ship, this is where people would get their tickets to go on the Titanic, full of joy and optimism of their new life overseas. Of course, unfortunately, many of them did drown.
Yes.
This is where you will see King George on a horse, King George III. Now, and he actually reigned for 59 years.
Was she in a house right there?
But he had bouts of insanity due to his poor career. And
That's right there is right where people were buying tickets to get on the Titanic.
Was go to the party station on the street. And so hence you see him surrounded by trees. So he's in his element at one with the trees. There was a film about him about 20 years ago detailing some of his exploits. As you can see to the left, various embassies, where you see the flags and we're coming on to Pall Mall. Now Pall Mall is named after a Malio from 200-300 years ago, which is the former cocaine, was basically hit a ball with a mallet and a long arm. And this is the home of many exclusive gentlemen's clubs such as the Retro Club and the this kind of thing. And how the gentlemen concentrate around is back and forth and decide. They are very was in a pet shop, and a gentleman was struck by her beauty, saw her admiring hat, and said, "Let me buy this hat for you." And so she smiled and laughed and flirted a little bit. As soon as she had the hat, she took it and disappeared. The first known ghosting attempt. You're ghosted. But she was the queen of the house. In the Belgravia area, which we will be going to a little bit later. So are you all enjoying your holiday? Yeah? Done everything good? Anyone been to Winter Wonderland? No? One tip, it's free between 11 and 12 in the mornings to get in. So if you want to take a trip and have a look at all the lights, that's worth a visit. Now there should be Santa coming up. It's coming up into Piccadilly.
So imagine that.
And these are the Spirit of Christmas lights. Now there will be some lights to the left-hand side and right-hand side as well. You have a look around the Christmas tree, you might just see Santa, I'm not sure. It's there. Give him away.
He's down there, I think.
Yeah, Santa's down
There
there.
he is.
Come on over from the North Pole. So again, these lights are LED, low energy, very often made from recycled materials, which means they're not only pretty, but they're good for the environment as well. Much better. Now, Piccadilly is named after Piccadilly. If you think of William Shakespeare, you might remember he always had a funny white collar around his neck. That is a Piccadilly. And so Piccadilly is named after where they used to sell them. And at one time everyone used to have a Piccadilly on their neck. Not for the last 200 years or something. Okay, so we're going to have some lights coming up very shortly to the right-hand side. Let your spirit fly. There are more angels. There's an angel, fairy and star theme to all the Christmas lights this year. Very much on brand.